Hey there, collision shop owners and managers. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of recruitment and apprenticeships. In an industry as dynamic and hands-on as collision repair, apprenticeships are a crucial component to success. They offer a unique opportunity for budding technicians to learn, grow, and bring fresh perspectives to your shop. But how do we attract these talents? That's what we're here to explore. Welcome to Recruiting for Collision Repair Apprenticeships. We're about to break it down step by step. First up, outreach. We're casting a wide net to find the best talent. When we talk about outreach, we're talking about a multifaceted approach. Think of your existing team. You've got porters, drivers, detailers, and customer service representatives. They're already part of your world. Perhaps they're ready to take a step deeper into more technical roles like body techs, painters, and estimators. And let's not forget about the potential apprentices in our local communities. High school and college programs are brimming with eager students looking to make their mark. The next star apprentice could be right in your neighborhood. Of course, we can't underestimate the power of networking. Leverage your connections and the connections of your team. Word of mouth can spark interest in the most unexpected places. And hey, LinkedIn is not just for scrolling through updates. Use it to promote opportunities to a wider audience. Now, once you've got those potential stars identified, assess their personality and work style, offer internships to those with the best fit. It's like a test drive for both parties. Let's delve into the power of internships. They're an invaluable tool in the recruitment process, giving you a chance to confirm the candidate's soft skills, dedication, and fit for your team. Simultaneously, it allows the candidate to experience how your shop operates, how all the pieces fit together, fostering a deeper understanding of the work involved. The beauty of internships lies in their potential to reveal the best future apprentices. They're the stepping stones to a rewarding career in collision repair, providing the hands-on experience that shapes a novice into a professional. And guess what? CCI Bootcamp can serve as the ultimate internship experience. The cream of the crop rises to the top during internships. When you find those top interns, offer them apprenticeships. It's a win-win situation. This transition is not just about job progression, but also about nurturing talent. It's about recognizing potential and providing the right environment for it to flourish. Remember, feedback is key. Those interns who didn't make the cut this time, give them constructive feedback. Let them know what they can improve on to qualify next time. But our journey doesn't end there. Continue to develop the skills of your team in structured apprenticeships. It's a commitment to excellence. Investing in their skills development is investing in your shop's future. So, collision shop owners and managers, are you ready to revolutionize your recruitment funnel? Follow these steps and you'll be on the fast track to building a powerhouse team.